Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create points in Tekla structures. In these points, we have different types of points. So I'm going to explain you how to use these different types of points in Tekla structures. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures. Now I'm going to create a new. So click on new and type here project number 11, tutorial number 11. Click on create. Click on S. Click on S. Now initially we need to create views, so click on grid, right click mouse, create views along grid lines, then click on create and then okay. Now go to the planet 0, so click on window and select this view list and select the planet 0 or planet 5000. For example, we're going to take planet 5000, then click on arrow and close it. I'm going to create points. So in for example, first point we can see at any position point. For example, you can see, go to the edit. Initially you will get steel, then click on here edit and click on here point and select it at any position point. You can see this is the at any position point. Select it. You can place at any position on anywhere where you want to place the point. You can directly click on it and place it. For example, we're going to activate this option, snap at any position, then click on here to place the point where you want to place. You can place it, for example, intersection point, you can place it at midpoint, in between points. You need to activate this nearest point, then click on here on the line also as well. Like this, you can place at any position where you click on it, then just create the point at that position. That is the at any position point. Now second mostly used point is the on line. This is the online. For example, if you wanted to place the point, you can see, for example, if you wanted to place the point in between these two grid intersection points, if you wanted to divide equally three parts, you need 2 points. So 4 parts, you need 3 points, equal points. For example, click on here and select the online, and for example, if you need number of points are 3, then click on apply OK and pick the first position and pick the second position. You can see now 3 points are generated. These points are equal space between first point and second point, like this. You can see these points are equal parts. You can, for example, if you wanted to divide this line, grid line, from here to here, in between we need to generate 5 equal parts. You need 6 points. For example, click on here and select online and need 6 points, 5 equal parts, then click on apply OK and pick the first point and second point to create 6 points. You can see we have entirely 6 points, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means we have 7 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 equal parts, like that. Now coming to the next point, parallel to 2 points. For example, if you wanted to place the points from this intersection point to here, the spacing should be, for example, 4000. Then click on here parallel to points and we need to enter the distance, for example 4000, then click on apply OK and pick the first point here, and you can see direction is that side. So if you wanted to place in this direction, you need to select these parallel points from 4000, apply OK. From first point and second point, you can see arrow indicates in downward direction. That means the points will be generated, these points, and the spacing between these 2 points, this point to this point, grid section to this point, should be 4000. Okay, that's it about this parallel to 2 points. Now coming to the at intersection of 2 lines. That means, for example, I'm going to create a construction line from here, like this, and the second line is this one. For example, you can see these construction lines are here. These 2 lines, when you extend these 2 lines, somewhere else will be intersect. So we're going to find out those points, then you can use this option. For example, click on here and select this intersection of 2 lines. Click on here and pick the first point and second point of first line, and pick the first point and second point of the second line, then you will get this point. You can see this point should be intersection of these 2 lines, projection of this intersection of these 2 lines, like this. If you want to check out, then double click on this construction line. For example, we're going to increase the extended line length. For example, let's take 3000, modify it. You can see this line through this point. Similarly, we're going to increase this line also 3000. Then you can see these 2 points. For example, we're going to increase 3500. You can see these 2 lines are intersect exactly at the point of this intersection point. Okay, that's it about majorly used points in the project. So these points are very important. Please practice these points with these examples. Okay, that's it about how to create points in Tekla structures with this example PDF. If you need this PDF, please join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide this PDF example. Okay, that's it about this, how to create points in Tekla structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please join my channel. Okay, thank you.